Hi guys, it's your friend Peter Parker here, and after the success of all my other videos, I decided to review these glasses. What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at a few products from Ocushield. They were kind enough to send me out a screen protector for the phone and some cool little blue light blocking glasses. Blue light is said to be bad for your eyes. It actually can cause headaches during the day, and at night it supposedly keeps you awake. So I thought it would be cool to test out these blue light blocking glasses. I'm going to use them while I edit this video. You can use this with the TV, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. I won't wear them every time I look at my phone, obviously, but if I'm going to be looking at the computer monitors for a long time, or maybe even playing some video games, I think these are pretty cool to test out, and I'm really excited. I actually feel rather heavy. I wouldn't be surprised if there's actually a hard case in here, but it says soft. I'm not exactly sure how they're going to look on me, but I'm going to unbox this right here, seeing as there's not really much to it. My girlfriend had this phone, but she is actually looking to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Unfortunately, I can't test this on the phone. Oh, I don't even want to break the packaging. Such nice packaging. It's a shame to really break it. There's a little soft case here. Got a little packaging material on it. Nice looking case to protect these. And it says, "Happy eyes, happy you." And bang. Okay, yeah, I don't know how these are gonna look on me, but we'll give them a shot, guys. Let's put them on, and we're getting a little bit of glare from the actual light here. You guys tell me how I look. Let me see here. So these are pretty cool, guys. When you're looking at the computer screen, it does kind of change the white a little bit. Really nice quality, guys, and there is a little bit of a tint to them. But when you're using the computer here, when I look at the computer screen here, and it doesn't seem to look too bad. So guys, I'll have to come back to you after I've tested these out a little bit more. I'm going to use the computer to edit this video, and we're going to find out what this looks like. I don't think they look actually half bad on me. I didn't know if they were going to look good or not, and I'm not sure if I'm getting the glare from the light. I definitely am from the side here. A lot of glasses, when you get light from the side, you start to get a little glare. Drop down in the comments below how you feel about these, how they look on me, etc., etc. Hi guys, my name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and as you can see, I'm very relaxed here in these new glasses. I'm very relaxed here, sitting in my office, and I just tested these glasses out, and I gotta say, they're really comfortable to work on the computer with. I can't wait to use them some more when I'm editing these videos for you guys. And if this is your first time here, make sure you smack that subscribe button followed by the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. You won't want to miss it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you, Ocushield, for sending these out to me. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.